Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know about applying for the recovery loan scheme with Santander. Well, I've got you covered on that as well as much more. So while you're here, you're going to want to really make sure you subscribe to this channel. And the reason being, this channel covers business funding, marketing, and growing a business. And so do it now, quickly. It'll take you 2 seconds. Around the video is a subscribe button and hit the bell notification. And then you'll know all the info as soon as it comes out, and you'll know all the strategies to grow your business. Now, as I said, my name's James Nicholson, and I coach and mentor business owners to grow a business in any times, uncertain times, good times, bad times, you name it. Now, the recovery loan scheme is a new scheme that the government launched at the budget of 2021. And it replaces two things. One is the bounce back loan scheme. So during the difficult times that we've had in the last year, you'll have noticed that the government created a scheme called the bounce back loan scheme. And that scheme was a godsend to millions of business owners in the UK. And what that allowed you to do was to borrow between £2,000 and £50,000 into your business very, very fast to keep you trading and to keep you operating as a business, which is fantastic, right? There was also another scheme for bigger businesses called the CBILS loans, and they were up to many, many millions that you could borrow in your business. Now, both of those schemes have finished on March 31st, 2021, and they've been replaced with the recovery loan scheme. Now, the recovery loan scheme is very similar to the bounce back loan scheme, but there's some very important key differences that are going to be good news for your business. Now, one is of those differences that's not so good is that the bounce back loans were guaranteed to 100%, meaning if you couldn't pay it back and your business didn't work out, the government would step in and pay the bank. Now, why that was good, it meant money got lent very fast because there was almost no risk to the bank. It was very, very good on their part. Now, what's different with these is the government is going to guarantee, but only up to 80%, meaning they still take a huge chunk of risk away from the bank, but they're only guaranteeing 80% of the loan. Now, this will mean the recovery loan scheme will be a little harder to obtain. And so it is essential that you get all your paperwork sorted, have your accounts in order, everything organised before you go and apply for a recovery loan scheme. Now, here's some good news, though, about the scheme. If you've already had a bounce back loan, you can get a recovery loan, which is incredible. So the recovery loans are to get your business trading again, to get it working, to get it bouncing back and get it active. And you should be looking to spend that money on marketing and growing the business. The bounce back loan was to keep you alive. This loan is to get you back trading and back to normal and recovering, hence the name, as quickly as you can. Look, and while you're here, if you've been watching this video, I've got lots more on this, but do make sure you hit the like button because that helps me with YouTube. So it lets people know that you've enjoyed this content and you're getting value from it, and it will show it to other people. So please do that. And comment below and let me know who you are as well. So the recovery loan scheme and Santander, who should apply with Santander? Well, there's a few people. First and foremost, you should apply for a recovery loan with Santander if you currently bank with them. It just makes sense, right? If you go through Santander, they already know your history, they know everything about you, they've already got your account set up. It's going to be a lot quicker and faster. You're going to have to go through all the same checks with any bank that you go with. So just apply with Santander if you already bank with them, right? So that's the first lot of people. Now, there's another group of people, and these people had difficulties with the bounce back loan scheme. And they were people that didn't have a bank that provided the bounce back loan scheme. And so for those people, they needed to get a new bank account somewhere else, maybe HSBC or wherever. And a lot of those people had difficulties setting up a new bank account. In fact, banks were flooded with applications for these recovery loans, which made it very, very difficult to get sorted. And so what I'm saying to you is maybe apply with Santander if you're with someone like Cash Plus, for example, that don't provide bounce back loans, CBILS loans, or recovery loans. Maybe look at Santander as an option to start a new business account, get everything set up, and look at trading with them moving forward as your primary bank. That's when you should look at this, right? Now, if you're thinking, well, maybe not Santander for me. Well, ones that did really well with the bounce back loans, I should give a mention, are Starling Bank and Metro Bank. So if you're having difficulties or Santander's busy and they've got a waiting list to set up an account, then do look at Starling Bank and do look at Metro Bank. They're good options for you in your business and they should help you guys moving forward. Now, if you found this useful, one thing before you go, I've got a free gift for you. So I've written a book on growing a business using my Business Accelerator methodology. And I want to give you guys a free copy here today. It's a real book, a physical book that we're going to post out to you. And it lays out my 5-step system for taking people that have never heard of you and turning them into customers in 5 simple, very, very quick steps. The book's been sold to thousands of entrepreneurs just like you, but I want to give you a copy today, totally free of charge. So all you need to do is click in the description and there's a link that you can find and go and get your free copy of the book. Now, I'm going to pay for the book. You're going to pay for the shipping. It's a couple of pounds, guys, right? It's a couple of pounds and I'll ship that book to you very, very quickly. In fact, you'll get it in the next 7 days. So click on the link now, go and grab that book. And if you didn't do it already, subscribe to this channel. You don't want to miss out. I've got tons of content. Tell me who you are in the description as well. I want to know all about your businesses. That would be really, really useful. And if you got all the way to the end, then comment YouTube in the comments. I want to know who got to the end of this video. So anyway, that's it from me. That's who should be applying with Santander. Go and check out my other content. I've got so much content on the recovery loan scheme. I'll see you guys soon. My name, in case you forgot, is James Nicholson. Nice to meet you. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.